giving us GoPros so we can film the snowmobiling. So fun. Hey guys, we're in Whistler. I'm here today with Kiehls Canada and we're doing like a full Whistler adventure day. The first thing on the list is snowmobiling and I'm so excited. It is currently snowing outside and it's so pretty. And we all just got fitted for snow stuff. So I got some fancy snow pants and I have my own jacket and gloves and boots, but Trina had nothing, so here's her getup. Feeling great. Looking fab.
I had a croissant, so I can't really bend. And these pants are a little tight, so...
little toy.
I was trying to show you my boots.
They also match her jacket. And they were so kind and gifted us a GoPro, so I'm so excited we get to use that for our snowmobiling, so hopefully there'll be some cool footage, but yeah, today's gonna be really fun. Alright, we are all ready and dressed. Got my snow pants on, got my snow boots. Trina has her jacket.
You're looking good.
Feeling good. Now we're walking through the village and we're gonna go to the snowmobile place. Whenever.
You know what's funny though? You actually don't feel funny with all this getup on because everybody's got it on.
Everyone, yeah. But everyone's going skiing and I don't do that, so this is gonna be a lot more fun.
We're gonna fake it. Nobody knows we're not going skiing.
Yeah, we fit right in here. We're gonna go do some snowmobiling. There we go.
Oh, I'm in.
Got the helmet, and it even has a clip.
So Charles is
for the GoPro.
There you go.
Look at our hair, there's chunks of snow in
It'll be
it.
cool out there, ziplining, yeah.
Oh,
Kind of feels
boy.
like you're
Alright, we're back now. Trina, what'd you think?
That was wild.
That was wild.
Absolutely wild.
So the last half, I actually stayed on the back of Lana's, what do we call it? Snowmobile, and it was so much better. Now everyone's super red in the face.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. And now we're finishing off with some good old hot chocolate. It's really good.
It would be like Santa Claus, North Pole level, you know?
That was so fun. Not what I expected. We are now back in the village and we are heading to lunch. I'm pretty excited to sit down and enjoy some food. We are at Hunter Gatherer for lunch. Let's go eat. So pretty.
I knew it was there.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I ordered the quarter chicken with their potatoes and I'm really stoked because it also came with cornbread. Everyone's food looks so good. Incredible. So we just finished up lunch and my hair is looking all kinds of crazy from all the winter sports because it is just snowing so much outside, but we got checked into our rooms and I wanted to give you guys a little tour. So when you walk in, this is what you see. Nice little bed. We're only here for one night, so this is absolutely perfect. And then in the bathroom, they actually left us some awesome Kiehls products that I'm so excited for. This is their creamy eye treatment with avocado. I absolutely love this and use it pretty much every single night. And then they left some shampoo, conditioner, a serum, and then back here we have the Ultra Facial Cream. This one is amazing. Is this a mask? Overnight hydrating mask. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try that. That looks fantastic. This, I believe, is just a moisturizer. My hair, literally, you would not be able to tell that I got a blowout yesterday because it's all kinky and sweaty and lovely. Anyway, moving on. There's the bathroom, and then when you come out, we have the bed and a cute little kitchenette, which is super cute. I really like that. There's a little fridge and stuff. And then we have this cute little box with some Kiehls goodies, I'm assuming. In the cute little Kiehls box on the bed, we have their Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This is a 12.5% vitamin C and a hyaluronic acid. And if you guys want to pause the video, you can read the fact and fictions about vitamin C. Super cool. And yeah, that's pretty much the room. We got a nice little desk, and then the view is incredible. It has not stopped snowing all day, and when we were snowmobiling, all the chunks were coming in our face, but it was so much fun. And this is just like such a stunning view. I love Whistler so much. I have about half an hour now to relax and chill and defrost a little bit before we meet up again. And the girls will be going ziplining in the snow, which is gonna be so fun. I just kindly removed myself from this activity just because I'm so afraid of heights. And even the snowmobiling, there was a lot of like really deep edges that I was just like so afraid of. So I just decided not to do that. And after that, we are heading to the Scandinavian spa to sit in the hot pools. And I'm really excited because I've never been there. And I've heard really great things, and it looks beautiful, and especially since it's snowing outside, it's just gonna be a winter wonderland, and it should be really fun. So yeah, I'm gonna go change, put on new socks, that kind of thing. And of course, I have to give a huge thank you to Kiehls Canada for inviting me on this trip. I'm super grateful, and it's been super fun so far. Snowmobiling is definitely something I never thought I would ever do, so having the opportunity is super cool, and it's gonna be a good rest of the day. I'm very excited, and it's like could not be more pretty out, so this is just so lovely. Along with the GoPro and all of the amazing skincare goodies, they also gifted us some Roots hoodies, or I guess they're crew necks because they don't have hoods, but they look so soft, and these amazing socks as well. So I think I'm actually gonna wear this little crew neck for the next part of our adventures. This is the most comfortable thing ever, and I feel like I could honestly just curl up and go to sleep right now, but can't do that. Friends are prepared for ziplining. Prepared? I don't know. They're also peeing their pants, so there's that too. I'm okay. We're gonna chill by that fire over there. It's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be great. Adios. Have fun on the zipline. Bye bye. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, bye. You guys survived! Yay!
That was the scariest thing I've ever done in my whole life!
I'm proud of you! Time to go to the spa. We are now at the Scandinavia spa. Don't think we can vlog in here, but I'm just saying. We here. As you can tell, we are back at the hotel now. We had about half an hour to get ready for dinner. I didn't want to wash my hair because I got my hair done yesterday, so I just kind of brushed it out, put it up in a top knot. That's what we're doing for dinner. My new earrings from Target. Redid my makeup because my eyeliner completely smudged. It was doing so well, but then at the spa when we went in the sauna, it was just like a whole nother level. So I washed it off, and I actually used this Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil that they gave us, and it's actually so nice. Evening primrose oil and lavender essential oils. I love the lavender in this, and it feels like it really helped moisturize my skin, so I'm excited to use that again. And I actually did also try out another product. This one is the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This is that serum that we got earlier, and Jenny said that this was a really great makeup primer as well, so I tried it as that, and I really like it. So hopefully this lasts. I don't know. I just kind of threw makeup on, and my hair not loving it. So anyway, and then for dinner I wanted to keep it kind of casual but also still warm, so I'm wearing this sweater that I got at Anthropologie. It just has like the little fun sleeves, and then just my American Eagle jeans, belt, and Old Navy boots, because what else do I wear? So yeah, now we're gonna go to dinner. We are going to High's Steakhouse, I think that's what it's called. It's the one that's attached to the hotel, so should be good. I'm excited to have a glass of wine. We are now at the restaurant, and it is so fancy, and everything looks so good on the menu. They even have a wine list and a drink menu on an iPad, and it's so cool. And Andy recommended the cheese toast.
Andy says you can't leave that steakhouse without getting the cheese toast.
Sold. We're getting the cheese toast. As you can tell, I've gotten ready for bed. I have the Kiehls overnight moisture mask thing on the top half of my face, and then I have like 4 underground zits living on my chin, so I used Glam Glow. So this is the current situation. Anyways, I just kind of wanted to come on here and give a little recap because I didn't vlog too much at dinner, but it was absolutely incredible. We went to the restaurant that was connected to the hotel. I think it was like High's Steakhouse or something, and it was incredible. The steak was so good. I got that with mashed potatoes and some vegetables, and then we also got a little cheeky dessert, had some wine. Cheese bread was incredible, and I'm so very full and so sleepy and so ready for bed. But today was an amazing day. I'm so grateful that Kiehls wanted me to come on this trip with them. I had such a crazy day, and I'm like physically and mentally exhausted from it, so I'm gonna sleep like a baby. It's gonna be great. So yeah, basically tomorrow we are waking up and going for brunch, and then we are heading home. So quick trip, but I absolutely love Whistler, and this was so much fun. So yeah, that's basically it for tonight. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because I'm so tired. Good night. I just got myself ready for the day. I'm just wearing the Roots little crew neck that they gave us, my Lulu pants, and some good old winter socks because we're going for brunch before we head out today. And on my lips I'm wearing the Fenty gloss. That's the only thing. Normally I wear a lip liner, but today I didn't. And L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara coming in hot on my lashes. Love it. Not gonna lie, stood here, took some selfies, so check out the gram. And yeah, we're gonna go get brunch. I am so hungry, so let's do that. But first, one quick look at this amazing view. Was delicious, and now we are heading back to the hotel to grab our bags, to get in a car, to go home. So this is pretty much it. Bye. Thank you so much. So lovely.